Forging Friendships Season 2 is sponsored by Iron Mountain Metalcraft, located in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. Go forge a memory with Forged in Fire fan favorite Robbie Bowman. Woo! Season 2 is also sponsored by Oklahoma Knife Group, Black Dragon Forge, Paragon Kilns, Honest Aloe, Jantz, and by viewers like you, link in description.
I don't have a title. What am I? My name is Terri Lynn. I am the head of customer service, and I do the graphic design, catalog, ads, banners, things like that. I've been here 25 years. Started because my daughter was 4 and in preschool, and I wanted to be close to her, and so started here and never left. Now, in the early days when I first started, Ken and Venice, the owners, were working here daily and stuff. So I really worked with them, doing mainly anything that they needed me to do, along with the customer service of answering the phones and helping customers. I would also handle the foreign emails and overseas customers a lot. Also vendors with Ken and helping him with that, helping us with accounts payables. So it just kind of grew from there. Then we started with the catalog, and the catalog was, another company did the catalog. And so we would just email pictures or send pictures in and tell them where we wanted it, what page. And the more I kept sending pictures in, the more I was like, I think I can do this, So just little by little, we started asking questions, watching videos or any type of information I could get my hands on to kind of learn what needed to be printed, what sizes, what pixels, and all that. I don't know, probably 2004, somewhere around there. I was like, let's do it. So Ken bought me a big old Mac, and we started working, taking pictures of every 5,000 pieces of product here and processing them all, and it was just me. So it took a while. It took probably about 9 months to actually do that catalog from doing start to finish on that. But ever since then, it's just been me from there on. We had this one customer, he would call in, and he didn't know zip codes. So he'd always say where the city he was from, his name and city. And so I'd type it in, find him, get it ordered, he'd send it out and stuff. So if he talked to anyone else, it's like, well, Terri knows what it is, why don't y'all know who I am? And just dealing with customers on a personal level is what I've always enjoyed, and tried to pass it along to the other girls coming up, behind me. And then also, the more difficult situations with customers, I kind of like that aspect, because you get to hear if they have an issue or upset. You hear, you talk it through, and by the time they're over, the phone call's over, they're okay, you're okay, and it's just they want to be heard. I actually like that part of it, to talking to and seeing if you can turn that around to something positive, So we try to pass that on, and we're all really very personable with the customers. It's like a family, you get used to your certain customers, and they'll want to talk to each particular person and stuff. So that's always fun too. And then, like I said about the overseas customers, that's a lot of fun too, is learning cultures and different things like that. So daily routine is I come in, count the cash drawer from the front. I do transactions to keep up with what we take out and make something else with. So any products that go out and become something else, to keep our inventory correct. So I take care of that. I take care of any claim payments, ARs, and things like that. So really, and then go through emails. And so I do that all first thing in the morning and go through that. Then I will switch over to any of the emails that might need help or answered or figure out a solution or an order. Then I'll usually try to switch over to the graphics part of it and try to do anything on that and getting, like right now we're getting ready for Blade Show. So I'm doing different things for our signage and ads and t-shirts and things like that. So usually, but then you have other people come in, so your day could change at any time and go to another direction where you're doing something totally different and helping someone else, because we kind of all group together, and if somebody needs help, you go that direction and help them too.